Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Super Tarts haul, and I'm going to try and not cough or sneeze or sniffle as best as I can. We have some sort of funk going around the house. I actually feel fine. My throat, however, does not feel fine, nor does my nose. I've gone through this is probably disgusting, but I feel like I've gone through so many Kleenex boxes. It's crazy. So yeah, so I've just been, I actually feel better when I'm up doing stuff, because if I'm sitting, I feel like your nasal passages just get I don't know what the word is. I don't know. I just feel like if you're standing up, it's better all around. So I'll probably try to take a nap sometime today just to make myself feel better. But overall, I feel fine. My voice sounds like crap though. Okay, so I have a Super Tarts haul here. I wanted to get some of the wardrobe wax, but I didn't want to buy all of the clams. I just wanted to get the sampler pack. So I already smelled these before I got sick, so hopefully I can kind of keep that in my memory. Now, I did order from the last restock, but I will say this, I ordered a very small amount of clams. The only thing I wanted was Nova Prime. I've been waiting for that one for a while. And I think I got 3 or 4 clamshells just to make it like a BAM bag type of thing. But the first sample I got is Drax, and I think this is Egyptian musk. It's got some sort of fig. What else? I don't know. It kind of reminds me of Cujo a little bit, but it's different. I remember having this before and warming it, and I remember it was very strong on that Egyptian musk. Yeah, but if you like along the lines of Cujo, you might like this one. I don't remember though. I think I remember warming this one, and it was too strong on that Egyptian musk scent. Okay, so I don't know why I've never tried this one before, but this one is Medusa, Sea Salt, Driftwood, and Oak Moss. I'm not sure why I had never tried this. I love sea salt scents, so this is Medusa. And there's what it looks like. Oh, this one smells good to me. It almost has... It's almost got a sweetness to it. Of course, my nose isn't really working its best either. I don't know. I've never really smelled oak moss before. Sorry, I don't know. I don't know. I know when I initially smelled this one though, I was super impressed with the sea salt scent, because I love sea salt scents. So that was one that I had not tried. This one is one that I had before, but I actually destashed it because I didn't like it. And so what I've been trying to do is grab things again that I had originally liked, but for whatever reason at the time I just didn't think I was ever going to warm it. This one just sounded really good to me, and I was like, you know what? Let's just try this one again. So this is Berry Good Cookie. Now on paper it sounds like it should be the perfect scent. And I just don't know. I think it was something about the berry scent that never sat right with me, but I never warmed it, so I never really gave it a shot. I don't know. I feel like I've smelled the berry scent. It's not too artificial. I found a berry the other day that was super artificial, and I was like, oh gosh. I can't hang with the berry scents that smell super artificial. Okay, so if you guys know me, you'll be surprised to see this one, because you guys know I don't love this scent. This is Baba's Family. This is Blackberry Jam, Gain Laundry Type, and Lemon Curd. This one, when I warm it, smells like Sweet Tarts, but I actually got this one to blend. Yeah, it smells very sweet to me. I smell the Gain in there. Yeah, but I'm going to blend this one. I have a few blending ideas, but a lot of people like this one. This one is very popular. in the Super Tarts group. This next one is Prince Caspian, and this is sandalwood, fresh picked strawberries, and peonies. I wasn't super like stoked about the scents from the wardrobe wax collection. I don't know, they just all like none of them were really up my alley, except for this one. I thought I'd give a shot. So you do smell the sandalwood. Did I show you guys the inside? I don't know about this one. This one's definitely gonna have to be warmed. I don't know if I smell the fresh picked strawberry. I don't know. I mean, and I'm not real familiar with peonies either, so. This next one is White Witch. This is menthol, grapefruit, silver birch, and rosemary. And that's what that looks like. This one smells really good to me on cold. I really like this one. I think I remember Brandy saying that this was one of her favorites. I'm liking that menthol smell right now. I definitely smell the menthol and a light bit of grapefruit. This one is one of the better ones. You know, I can see this one being really good for winter time. So yeah, I do remember I did smell the rosemary as well in there. Okay, so let's get on to the wardrobe wax sampler, and those are all of the scents in the pack. There's just none that like really like called out to me that seemed like, okay, so there's Prince Caspian. We won't go over that one again. Excuse me. Okay, so Susan is, here's Susan. Chocolate Orchid, Fireside, Cotton Candy Frosting, and Mellow. You know what? It's funny. I have Ricolas for my throat in the kitchen, and I always look at the ingredient list to see what's in that stuff before I take it, and there was mallow in there. So I wonder what mallow actually really is. I always thought it was some sort of component of marshmallow, but I don't think that's it. Susan actually, out of this whole thing, probably smells the best to me. You can really smell the sweetness and the chocolate orchid. My nose isn't picking up Fireside right now, but that just could be because I'm all stuffed up. White Witch, we won't go over that one again. So I would pick up Susan, probably. Let's see, the next one is Lucy. Lucy is Mac Apple and Magically Delicious. This one, if I remember, smelled mostly like Mac Apple. Yeah, it's kind of like a sweet. I don't know. It's not super unique to me. It does, I mean, the Magically Delicious does kind of change it up a little bit, but okay, the next one is Peter, and I thought for sure I wouldn't like this one because I do not like Sam Shire. I do like, let's see, why is it mine saying? I thought it was a blend of Sam Shire and, what the heck is the name of that? Briarcliff, right? Fresh cut grass, watermelon, rock candy, Mac apple, shaving cream, and sea salt. I think it's supposed to say a blend of Sam Shire and Briarcliff. I haven't had Briarcliff in a long time. I don't think I like Briarcliff, actually. I can't do fresh cut grass like at all, but this one smells pretty good. No, it's not bad. I don't think I'd like it on warm. Like, you know, I can sniff some of these scents all day long, but as soon as you put them in a warmer and like put them throughout your air, I cannot do them. So yeah, that's Peter. What I have to say, I like that she's doing these sample sets now. Turkish Delight is orange glazed pistachios and sweetened condensed milk. I didn't think I'd like this one at all. This one isn't too bad. You almost get more of the orange. I have a feeling though on warm I wouldn't like this one. Okay, I gotta wrap this video up because I can tell I'm going downhill. Like my voice is gonna start going crazy. The wardrobe I got in another haul, so I won't really talk about this one, but this one is lavender laundry raindrops, kumquats, and orange zest. I did a whole clam of that one, so I won't talk about that one. If you want to go back to like probably like my last Super Tarts haul, it's probably in there. Chumpkin was another one that I did in my last haul. I'm trying to think of who this guy is. Mr. Tumnus. Pink sugar, spearmint, and vanilla bean oil. This one's pretty good. I think a lot of vendors make this scent though, so yeah, it's actually pretty good. I don't think I would like this on warm. Of course, you know, I'm not warming anything right now or this week at all because there's no point. My nose just isn't having it. And mint is grape airheads and serendipity mellow fluff. This one's okay. This one I can see being like a child's scent. Okay, and excuse me. Okay, Ashland is orange bergamot, fern, driftwood, and biolage. This one I don't think I liked. Oh, whoa. Yeah. That one, I don't think I like orange bergamot. Orange bergamot is a very like bitter scent to me. It's very, yeah, I don't know what to say about it. I don't like that one at all. Okay, the last one I have is Mr. Fox, and it's blood orange, fizzy cherry pop, plums, and lemon sugar. I'm not a big fan of blood orange, I figured out, or plums for that matter. Yeah, this is a big no for me too. So what I'm going to do probably with these little samplers is warm them back in my daughter's room where I can shut the door and just warm them in the 24-watt warmer just to get like a little taste for them to see and do a better like warm review of them. Just so that, you know, I can sample them out and see, because I mean, I feel like I've tried a lot of her scents, but since these are new, you know, I don't know, things change on warm, you know. You never know what you're going to like once you start warming it. So now that I've smoked like 6 packs of cigarettes today, but yeah, so that is my Super Tarts haul. Like I said, I did really good in the last restock. I only ordered 1 scent, so that was good for me. But I will see you guys in the next video, and yeah, so far I've done pretty good. I have a VCS haul coming, and at some point a bathing garden and a Rose Girls pre-order from the last, yeah, from the last pre-order. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.